Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the chew-style base. Bring 1 cup water, 1/2 cup butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar to a rolling boil so the fat fully emulsifies. Once boiling, remove from heat and dump in 1 cup all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until a smooth dough ball pulls from the sides. This gelatinizes the starch. Make sure to cool about 5 minutes. Then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time so the mixture becomes glossy and pipeable. Once the dough is pipeable, transfer it to a pastry bag fitted with a large star tip and pipe 4 to 5 inch strips on a parchment or a tray for easy transfer. This shapes the ridges that hold sugar. Next, heat neutral oil to 350 degrees F and keep the temp steady, because too cool, churros absorb oil; too hot, they brown outside before cooking inside. Carefully slide strips into the oil, fry until deep golden, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, and drain briefly on paper towels. You finish by tossing the warm churros in a bowl with 1/2 cup granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon so the coating adheres while still hot. Then serve immediately with warm chocolate sauce or dulce de leche. Serving hot preserves the crisp exterior and tender interior. If you find undercooked centers, make sure your oil temperature was accurate. Lower the heat slightly and fry a bit longer, or cut one open to check. If they collapse, the dough is overmixed or oil too cool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.